Recording started.
We're not going to give you the $1 billion. They said, you have no authority. You're not the president. The president said, I said, call him. I said, I'm telling you, you're not getting $1 billion. I said, you're not getting $1 billion. I'm going to be leaving here. And I think it was, 6 hours? I said, leaving in 6 hours. If the prosecutor's not fired, you're not getting the money. Well, son of a got fired.
He got fired. And Hunter's problem went away. And Burisma's problem went away. And the investigation stopped. And who benefited from this? Hunter Biden. Now, I'm sure he had a ton of experience, as we've been discussing, in oil, energy, gas, coal, Ukraine. Well, actually, it turns out no. Listen.
When he said, I hope you know what you're doing, what did he think you were doing?
Well, he read the press reports that I joined the board of Burisma, which was a Ukrainian natural gas company. And there's been a lot of misinformation about me, not about my dad. Nobody buys that, but it buys this idea that I was unqualified to be on the board.
What were your qualifications to be on the board of Burisma?
Well, I was vice chairman of the board of Amtrak for 5 years. I was chairman of the board of the UN World Food Program. I was a lawyer for Schiller Flexner, one of the most prestigious law firms in the world.
You didn't have any extensive knowledge about natural gas or Ukraine itself, though?
No, but I think I had as much knowledge as anybody else who was on the board. If not more.
I had no experience. And then actually goes further. Well, why do you think they were paying you all this money? Why?
In the list that you gave me of the reasons why you're on that board, you did not list the fact that you were the son of the vice president.
Yeah, no.
What role do you think that played?
I think that it is impossible for me to be on any of the boards that I just mentioned without saying that I'm the son of the Vice President of the United States.
You were paid $50,000 a month for your position?
Look, I'm a private citizen. One thing that I don't have to do is sit here and open my kimono as it relates to how much money I make or didn't. But it's all been reported.
If your last name wasn't Biden, do you think you would have been asked to be on the board of Burisma?
I don't know. I don't know. Probably not. I don't think that there's a lot of things that would have happened in my life that if my last name wasn't Biden.
You think? Unbelievable. Anyway, joining us now, former Florida Attorney General friend Pam Bondi is back. How are you, Pam?
Hey, Sean. Great to talk to you today. Can you believe we're still talking about this and Hunter Biden and Burisma?
Well, what I can't believe is, and I brought this up all during what I believe was a sham impeachment of Donald Trump. If you go back to the conversation he had with President Zelensky, I heard a president saying, now, you're not going to be like your corrupt predecessor, and we're going to give you money and you're not going to waste it. I heard him saying, we expect that you're going to be a responsible steward of our generosity.
And remember,